Hey guys, Dave from iOgrapher. We're back here at South Pasadena Field once again, my alma mater, and actually Ray Solari Field, I take that back, named after a famous coach here. I'm going to show you the iPhone or mobile phone coach's kit. So this is actually the iOgrapher multi-case. That's been a big hit for us, and what's nice about this is you can use a wide range of phones with it. So maybe you're a coach in your program, you don't have a lot of cameras, but maybe one of your students can pull out their iPhone to use it. So you can do all kinds of fun stuff. So let me show you how this whole kit works, and then we'll go from there. So first thing, I have it mounted onto the multi-use tripod with the multi-case, so multi-multi. So now we're going to take this off, and let's say you are a student, pull out your iPhone. Gee, I happen to have one here. So now all I have to do is put it in here and slide it in. And now I am ready to clip it in and start filming. But what's nice about this is I have, and it's included in this kit, I have a case made by a company called Kase with a K. So it's called the Kase Lens Holder. We have them for all the iPhones and I think the Samsung Galaxy 10 and some other devices like that. So what you can do with this now is add some amazing lenses. So we'll put this on here. And then let me pull out of my pocket. I've got some lenses in here. So what's nice about the Kase lenses is that they're premium lenses. They're going to last you a long time, made out of cinema glass. They're just awesome. They have a wide angle. They have a 3x telephoto, so we're going to get even closer to the action. And for those of you filming from the nosebleed seats, the 300mm lens. So I'm going to show you footage of all these, and we're going to take a look at them and see what you think, and then we're going to come back and talk. I'll be right back. So there you have it. We showed you the wide angle. We showed you the 3x telephoto. We showed you no lens at all and the 300mm. So the choice is yours. This is the kit to get if you're going to start shooting with mobile phones, specifically iPhones, for your sports footage. I'm Dave Basulto. Thanks so much for watching. Do me a favor, hit the bell down below so that you can know when we're going to be showing a new video, and hit subscribe. Thanks again. And you know what? We're going to give one of these kits away. You comment below and tell me what you think and what kind of sports you're going to shoot, just like the other video. I'm going to give one away. So do that now, share this, and tag us, Made with iOgrapher. Thanks so much for watching. I am out of here.